Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we're going to tackle a common problem that many WordPress developers face. The problem at hand involves displaying posts after clicking on a specific category on a WordPress website. The issue lies in the fact that even though the posts are being fetched correctly based on the category, they are not being displayed in the designated template. Now, let's delve into the solution to this problem. The key to resolving this issue lies in modifying the template post's container.php template code. By using the setup_postData post function, we can set up global post data, allowing us to utilize template tags like get_the_title and get_the_content. Through get_the_title post and get_the_content null false post, we can successfully retrieve the title and content of each post and populate the template accordingly. This ensures that the posts are displayed as intended within the template. In summary, by implementing the suggested modifications to the template post's container.php template code, you can successfully display the fetched posts based on a specific category on your WordPress website. Remember to use setup_postData post to set up global post data and leverage template tags effectively. With these adjustments, your posts will be seamlessly integrated into the template, providing a smooth user experience for visitors to your website. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. See you next time.